Hey guys, it's Robert over at Bloomington Acura Subaru. Today I'm going to show you some neat features in the back of a 2022 Acura RDX. Now this one here is the advanced A-Spec, so depending on the one you have, you may or may not get this brand new power outlet in the rear. Everything else is standard. Now all of our vehicles do come with the folding cargo tray in the back. Now if you don't know, you can just flip this backwards. And down here you have a little handle. This gives you access to the underfloor storage. If we pull it again, you can see we have a lot more storage space back behind. Now, in this little pocket, this has our tire inflator kit. Depending on the trim level you have, any non-A-Spec trim level will have tools for your spare tire, which can be found underneath this cover. Now, one other really neat feature on the RDX is if you need to fold down the rear seats quickly from the trunk, you do have two handles, one here and one on the other side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this one. I'll pull the second one. You can easily fold down your back seats. All right guys, well, if you have any questions, mention them down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.